Hey guys, welcome to Woman Wednesday. Today I am doing my Nature Box unopening. Do you know what Nature Box is? Okay, so today I am going to tell you guys a little bit about Nature Box. I have been subscribed to Nature Box for some time now, and it is a monthly subscription to snacks. Who doesn't like snacks delivered to their door? Because I sure don't. It is a monthly subscription, and you get 5 snacks a month, and you get to pick their varieties. They're anywhere from nuts to crackers, granola bars, granola, nuts, anything like that. They have tons and tons to choose from. So I'm going to unbox mine today and show you what I picked. Check it out. So this is my Nature Box. This got delivered to my house yesterday, to my doorstep. How cool is that? So I went online, I subscribed, and I picked 5 items, and this is what's in it. I really like this because sometimes snacks can be expensive, especially nutrition approved snacks, which is one of their selling points on there. So these are all nutrition approved. These are healthy, great snacks. I'm not sure if you see. And also Target, making a mess. Target is starting to sell Nature Box. So if you see any of these that you like, there's a good chance that Target might have them. So, my 5 snacks. My first snack is sourdough cheddar pretzels. I love pretzels. So this is going to be a very enjoyable snack for me. So 1. My second snack is honey barbecue crunch. Honey roasted and barbecue flavored nuts and pretzels. I have never had this one before, and it sounds super, super good. Honey roasted barbecue and pretzels. Oh, yummy. So that's my second snack. Third snack. This is actually my favorite snack that I've gotten from Nature Box, is the Asiago cheddar cheese chips. They're so good. They're crunchy, and I love Asiago cheese. And these are, if you subscribe to Nature Box or you check out Target, they're starting to carry this brand. Please check out these Asiago cheddar cheese crackers. They're so good, so good. Favorite snack, favorite. Did I say favorite? Did I say favorite? I think I did. Favorite snack. My 4th snack is coconut cashews. I love me some coconut, and I love cashews, so this should be a pretty good snack. I like to send David with nuts to work. It gives him a good variety. It's better than sending him with a bunch of chips or candy or anything like that. So I like to send walnuts or almonds, or he really likes cashews, so I really hope he likes this one. My last but not least, and this is a top seller for them, my 5th snack is Big Island pineapple, and this is dried pineapple rings. They're so good. If you like dried fruit or you like pineapple, this is where you need to go. They have a wonderful array of different types of dried fruits and dehydrated fruits. They're really healthy for you. They're almost like, instead of eating like a candy, like a sticky, chewy candy, if you start eating the dried fruits, they're so good. So yummy. So Big Island pineapple. So those were my 5 snacks. What did you think? All right, guys, so that was my Nature Box Unopening. If you are new to this page, please click the subscribe button below. We put out videos for Man Monday, Woman Wednesday, and we vlog on Saturday and Sunday. Those are our scheduled video uploads. Sometimes we put out extras from time to time, but make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification to when our new videos come out. If you enjoyed our Nature Box unopening, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. It'll make sure that we keep doing great videos for everyone, and we know that you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later on in the week. Bye, guys.